Hello everyone, how to simplify this algebra problem for the value of m, which is m cube is equal to 18 cube plus 24 cube plus 30 cube, where we are interested to find m. Let's come to the solution. M cube is equal to 18 cube. We can write 18 as 6 multiplied by 3. So 18 cube is equal to 6 multiplied by 3 whole cube plus 24 is equal to 6 multiplied by 4 gives us 24 whole cube plus 30. We can write this as 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30 whole cube. Now according to the identity that if we have a b whole power x, then we can write this as a power x into b power x. So by using this identity here, this will become m cube is equal to 6 cube multiply by 3 cube plus this will become 6 cube multiply by 4 cube plus, and this will become 6 cube multiply by 5 cube. Now from the right hand side we can take common 6 cube. So inside here 3 cube will be left plus 6 cube we have taken it common, and here 4 cube will be left plus 5 cube. 6 cube we have taken it common. So now m cube is equal to 6 cube into 3 cube means multiplying 3 times. So we get 27 plus 4 cube gives us 64 plus 5 cube give us 125. Now m cube is equal to 6 cube into 27 plus 64 plus 125, we get 216. In the next step, m cube is equal to 6 cube 216. We can write this as 6 cube because when we multiply 6 3 times we get 216. Now we can write the right hand side as 6 multiplied by 6 whole cube. Now m cube is equal to 6 multiplied by 6, we get 36 whole cube. Now move this 36 cube from right hand side to left hand side. So this will become m cube minus 36 whole cube is equal to 0, because we are interested to find all the values of m, not only for real values. Now by using an algebraic identity, if we have a cube minus b cube, then this is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Here a is equal to m and b is equal to 36. So this equation will become as m minus 36 into m squared plus m multiplied by b, which is 36, plus b squared 36 squared, and this whole thing is equal to 0. Now m minus 36 into m squared plus 36m plus 36 squared, we will write this as it is equal to 0. Now by using zero product rule, we get m minus 36 is equal to 0 and m squared plus 36m plus 36 squared is equal to 0. From this we get m is equal to 36. This is the real value of m. Now from this, as this is a quadratic equation in m squared plus 36m plus 36 squared is equal to 0. So we can use to find the m of value quadratic formula. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 36 and c is equal to 36 squared. So the quadratic formula m is equal to minus b plus minus b square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now using the values of a, b and c in this formula, m is equal to minus b minus the value of b is 36 plus minus square root of b squared means 36 squared minus 4, a is 1 and c which is 36 squared divide by 2 multiply by a, 2 multiply by 1. Now m is equal to minus 36 plus minus square root of, as 36 squared we can take it as a common 36 squared and inside here 1 be left, minus 4 multiplied by 1 which is 4 and 36 squared we have taken it common, divide by 2 multiplied by 1 which is 2. Now m is equal to minus 36 plus minus 36 squared and 1 minus 4 which is minus 3 divided by 2. Now m is equal to minus 36 plus minus whole square root of 36 squared into minus 3. We can write this as 36 squared into square root of 3 into square root of minus 1, because when we multiply 36 squared with 3 and minus 1 we get this value, divide by 2. So now m is equal to minus 36 plus minus this square and square root cancel out each other. Here 36 into square root of 3 minus 1 square root which is iota divide by 2. Now m is equal to, from numerator we take 2 as common. So inside minus 18 plus minus 18 into square root of 3i divide by 2. So now m is equal to this 2 and 2 cancel out each other. We were left with minus 18 plus minus 18 into square root of 3i. So here we get two values of m. m1 is equal to minus 18 plus minus 18 into square root of 3i, and the second value we get minus 18. Here this is first value, so we will write only the positive number, and here we will write the negative 18 into square root of 3i. And first we have found that m is equal to 36. This is the third value, so this is the real solution. And these are the complex solutions. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe this.